His name was Stan Michalak. He was a member of the provincial legislature and a very well-known individual in the city. On the night in question, he was driving home from a social event with his wife and 2 young children in the car. The date was April 1967. As he was driving along a deserted stretch of road at about 2:30 in the morning, his car's headlights suddenly went out, and as he was trying to figure out what had happened, he saw a bright light appear behind him. He pulled over to the side of the road and got out of his car to try to see what was going on. At this point, he said he saw a large, bright object hovering above the ground. It appeared to be about the size of a house and was illuminated brightly, like a giant spotlight. He said it hovered there for about 5 or 6 minutes, and then it shot straight up into the sky at tremendous speed. Now, at first, Mr. Michalak assumed that this was some kind of military aircraft, perhaps a drone of some kind. But he said that as he looked up into the sky and saw how fast this thing was moving, it became obvious that it wasn't any kind of earthly vehicle. He said it moved like a rocket and disappeared into the clouds. He reported this incident to the local newspaper, the Winnipeg Free Press, and they published a story about it. And then, of course, other media picked it up, and it became a big news story across the country. Now, this is just one of many UFO cases that have been reported over the years that involve sightings of these large, bright, hovering lights that appear to be silent and then shoot off into the sky at tremendous speed. Some have speculated that these are alien spacecraft performing some kind of surveillance or reconnaissance mission. Others have suggested that they could be secret military drones or some kind of new aircraft being developed by the government. Of course, there are those who say that these lights can be explained more mundanely as, for example, Chinese lanterns or even car headlights reflecting off a fog or mist. What do you think? Is there anything behind these mysterious lights, or are they simply a product of our own imaginations? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about other strange and mysterious occurrences that have been reported in Winnipeg, stay tuned for more updates.